So we're finally starting the process of widening out the four-wheeler trail and making a proper road. Step 1, ruin your opening shot. Got it. Alright, like I mentioned in the other video, here's the info card up top. If you haven't watched it yet, watch that first. It'll make a little bit more sense. So basically what we're doing is taking this four-wheeler trail, it goes back to the forest boundary. We're going to widen it out. We're going to take the trackhoe and get all the trees and stumps cleared out of the way, so it'll be a little bit easier in the future when we get a dozer out here to start cutting ditches in a road base. So that's what we're doing. Stay tuned and see how it goes. So one thing I kind of like to do, and I mentioned a little bit later in the video too, is whenever I take this stuff down, I try to get it all laying in one same general direction. It just makes it easier to process it and pack it and keep everything clean. And then that way I can just make one trip in and one trip out. And on my way out, I can pick up some of these piles and consolidate them and then come back in the future and do whatever I need to do, burn them or let them rot or whatever I want to do with them. And some of these areas, like this spot here, there's quite a bit of trees around, so you just do the best you can. You try not to damage any of the other tops, because I do like the trees. I don't want to take any more than I have to. So you try not to damage the other tops. You just kind of pull them out from the bottom, break them off where you can break them off, and same thing, just organize them in some piles off to the side of the road so you can do something with them later. section. I'll take you off, show you through the window. This all used to be, this was a grove of ash trees at one point. And I don't know if you guys have ash beetles where you're at, but if you're an ash tree and you're in southern Indiana, you're pretty much gonna be dead. So I'm only clearing out what I need from the road right now. Trying really hard not to hit these ash trees. Keep a dead top coming down on me. That would, well, that just ruined my day. Ruined my day, ruined Mike's day. So that's the goal right now. Let's not be in the tops of these. Some of these are okay trees. Most of them are dead back here. You guys got the ash beetle where you're at? It's a problem you guys face too. It's annoying here, I'll tell you that. It is super annoying. Alright, so this tree right here is getting ready to give me a little bit of grief. It's really the only one I had any issue with when I was doing this, and it's still not that big of an issue. Just the way it's leaning, the way I got to set the track hoe, it's going to fall into those dead trees over there. Not a huge deal if I can get it down and get the root wad and just pull it out, it'll be fine. But listen, I get a little frustrated, and you're going to see, I'll explain here in a minute, but what you're going to watch is just some clips of my inner monologue being an outer monologue, because when you're in the track hoe in the woods by yourself, you forget you're recording. And then when you go back and edit, well, it's just too funny to pass up. Well, today you're going to learn that whenever I get frustrated, I don't get angry. I just get weird, including this sweet Elvis to Batman impersonation. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. All right, buckle up. It's going to get weird. Where are you going? What direction is that? Is that an okay direction? Hey, I'm talking to you. Oh, that'll work. That's an okay direction. Okay, Dad, all those trees are dead over there anyway. Look at it. There we go. There we go. Man, you know, everything's going super smooth today. I literally just got in the cab and said, all right, one more big one, a little bit of scrub, and we'll be done. And this guy, I'm telling you, all right. I'm ready for the battle now, baby. Ready? Yeah. You, me, three are the closest friends. Now we got a little bit of room. Okay. Look, I can swing all the way around. Watch your elbows. Good way to break glass. Good way to break glass. There she goes. There she goes. Oh. Nice. Alright, let's see if we can get this top off of here, huh? Come here, sweetie. Come here. God, you're a good girl. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Alright. Listen, we all talk to ourselves in the operating equipment. I guarantee you do it. The only difference is I decided to record it and put it on YouTube for your entertainment. So you're welcome. Maybe. Kind of. The only thing we got left to do is get this tree packaged and off the road. I've been throwing these all in bundles on my way into the woods, and then on the way out, I'll pack some of them out to the burn pile. One trip in, one trip out. Just a little bit left to clear, and we're done with this one. Anything you want to add, Captain Kleeman? Well, I sure hope the rest of this goes a little smoother. And we're just going to sneak on back in here now. Clear out a radius about the size of the track hoe. About the size of the track hoe. About the size of the track hoe swing, I should say. And then we're going to work our way back out of here. I'll show Track hose back there. GoPro died. I don't know if you got the rest of that little clearing pile there, but it's charging in the backpack. Hey, this is where we're at. This is where we're gonna put breaking news, calling it the YouTube yacht. This is where we're gonna put the YouTube yacht at. I didn't clear much. I just got enough to get the track hoe back here. I'll bring the tractor back. Most of this stuff on the ground I can push around and burn with the tractor. And we kind of got to get a measurement. I don't want to clear too much because somewhere back here we'll have to put a septic, and you can't disturb the soil or septic goes. So I kind of need to get a soil test done first to see where that's going to go. But right over there, see if I can find you a property marker that you can actually see on the video. No, maybe not. Look, you can tell the freaking difference between private property and Hoosier National Forest. But that's Hoosier National Forest, and you'll see, walk through this scrub brush. Oh, there's a property marker right there. Right there. You see it? We're going right for it. You see it? Right. Claiming land, taxpayer land. Look at that. I feel different. These trees are massive. Well, that tree's dead. That's scary. These trees are massive in the forest, though. Look at the size of the freaking... Look at that. What the heck's going on there? Man, that'd be cool to cut down. Flip it over, make a table out of it one day. I don't know. Anyway, this is the forest. What am I talking about? And that's Cleveland land. That's where we're going to put the YouTube yacht. The whole purpose of this thing out in the woods is just because it's different. I like things that are different. I like things that are fun and crazy. I need a place for collaborators to come stay. If I have YouTube collaborations, I need a place for editing area, you know, that kind of stuff. So it is geared towards YouTube. I'm not even going to lie about that. That's kind of... Ooh, I need to cut that vine off that tree. Listen, I'm super tired. I'm losing focus. This is going to be it for this video. And, yeah,